Hey, welcome back to lIHITRO Bank. My name is Adam. Today I want to talk about one of the most underrated money opportunities right now that almost nobody is explaining properly. How regular people are using Google Gemini to build simple productivity tools for clients and getting paid for it. Not by starting startups, not by building huge apps, but by solving very boring, very expensive problems for businesses. Google Gemini has exploded in popularity for one simple reason. Businesses already trust Google. They already use Google Workspace, Gmail, Docs, Sheets, Calendar, Drive. Gemini fits naturally into how people already work. That makes it incredibly easy to sell productivity solutions powered by Gemini. Most people see Gemini and think chatbot or content generation. That is surface-level thinking. The real money is in internal tools that save time inside businesses. Let me explain how this actually turns into income. Every business has internal chaos. Emails everywhere, documents scattered, meetings unorganized, reports manually written, data copied from one place to another. Business owners hate this, but they accept it because they think fixing it is expensive or technical. That is where you come in. Using the Google Gemini API combined with simple automation tools, you can build small productivity systems that sit on top of tools businesses already use. Things like automated report summaries from Google Sheets, smart email drafting and sorting inside Gmail, meeting notes turned into action items inside Docs, client updates generated automatically from raw data, knowledge bases that answer internal questions instantly. You are not building software for millions of users. You are building one useful tool for one client. This is why it pays. Businesses do not want more tools. They want fewer headaches. If you show them that Gemini can save them hours every week using the tools they already pay for, selling becomes easy. Here is how people quietly monetize this. They position themselves as productivity consultants or automation specialists, not AI experts. They listen to how a business works. They identify one repetitive task. Then they build a Gemini-powered workflow that removes manual effort. They charge for setup. Then they charge monthly for maintenance support or improvements. This creates predictable income. And here is the important part. You do not need to be a hardcore developer. Gemini API can be integrated using low-code platform scripts and simple interfaces. Many solutions are built with basic logic and smart prompting. The demand is already there because Gemini is being searched heavily and discussed everywhere. But businesses do not want to learn APIs. They want someone to do it for them. Now let me talk about what actually sells. Productivity tools sell when they touch money or time. Faster reporting, faster replies, cleaner workflows, better decision making. If you tie your solution to saved hours or reduce mistakes, pricing becomes easier. Another thing that works extremely well is internal tools that never face customers. Businesses love these because they improve operations without risk. No branding, no public exposure, just efficiency. This is also why competition is low. Most AI creators are trying to sell courses or public tools. Very few are building quiet internal systems for businesses. Gemini is especially powerful here because of its deep integration potential with Google services. You are not fighting adoption. You are enhancing what already exists. Now, let me be honest about what fails. People fail when they try to build generic tools for everyone, or when they overbuild before talking to clients, or when they sell AI instead of selling outcomes. The people who succeed start with one business, one workflow, one problem. They build it manually first, then automate it, then reuse a framework for the next client. That is how income scales quietly. If you are watching this and thinking you are not technical enough, remember this. Businesses do not care how complex your solution is. They care that it works reliably. AI tools reward clarity, not complexity. If you can understand a business process and explain it clearly, Gemini can do the rest. This is not hype money. This is professional money, monthly retainers, long-term clients. skills that grow in value as AI adoption increases. If you want, I can make the next video breaking down one exact Gemini-powered productivity tool you can build for clients and how to sell it. Or I can show how to approach businesses and discover automation opportunities without sounding technical or sleazy. Tell me in the comments what you want next, and I will make that video. If this video helped you see Gemini differently, subscribe to the channel. I post practical AI income strategies that work in the real world, not just online trends. Like the video so more people see it, and comment below if you would rather build internal tools for businesses or public AI products. I will see you in the next one.